In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background images to tables in Microsoft Word on both PC and Mac. Adding an image behind a table can be a great way to make your document look more visually engaging and professional. Whether you're designing a report, creating a presentation-style document, or building a formatted layout for a newsletter, placing a background image behind a table can help your content stand out while still keeping the text organized and easy to read. To get started, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the table where you want to add a background image. If you haven't created a table yet, you can insert one by going to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and selecting Table. Once the table is placed in your document, make sure it is positioned where you want the background image to appear. Next, move to the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose the Pictures option. From there, select the image you want to use as the background from your computer. Once the image appears in your document, you can adjust its size by clicking and dragging the corners until it is large enough to sit behind the table area. After resizing the image, you will need to change how the image interacts with the surrounding text. Click on the image to select it, and then look for the Layout Options icon that appears near the image. Choose the option that allows the image to appear behind the text. This setting ensures that the table and its contents remain visible while the image sits in the background. Once the image is set to appear behind the text, drag it into position so that it sits directly underneath the table. You may need to move the image slightly or resize it again so that it fits neatly within the boundaries of the table. Taking a moment to align the image carefully will help the table maintain a clean and balanced look. If the background image appears too strong or distracting, you can soften its appearance by adjusting the image settings. With the image selected, go to the Picture Format tab and explore options such as transparency or color adjustments. Reducing the intensity of the image can help keep the focus on the table's text while still maintaining the visual effect. Once everything is positioned correctly, click outside the image and table to finalize the layout. Your table will now appear with an image placed neatly behind it, giving your document a more creative and polished design. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.